WILDRIDE toddler swing seat sling thing has arrived. I was really disappointed with the packaging, just a really scruffy box. I'm glad it wasn't raining outside. I'm going to be doing some testing over the next few days with this, with toddlers of different ages. I'll try it with just a big doll for a sec to give you an idea. Now, this is not a hands-free carrier. This is a hand-free carrying aid. It's not going to be a hands-free carrying option because you still always need one hand on your child at all times. Actually, feels pretty good. Pretty comfy with my 1.5, 2-year-old doll. My body shape, I don't feel the need to have these kind of carrying support. I have hips. If you are more of a straight up and down shape, and for dads, this can be quite handy because you don't have that natural shelf for them to sit into. So for me, this doesn't give any extra support than it would if I was just carrying them with one arm on my hip. It's quite nice to have this padded bit here. So yeah, for quick up and downs. My big concern is when I've got a real baby in this and they're wiggling. Because if they're wiggling and they straighten their legs, it's potentially going to be quite easy for them to slide out. So put it through its paces very soon with some real 9-month to 4-year-olds.